Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another update for the Roulette Pan collab. This was set up by Rebecca Morgan and Alexy and I'll link them up here and down below. So I actually surprisingly have 3 products leaving out of 6, so if you guys didn't see how I did it, then just keep on watching. So guys, I know that you're like tilted down, but for some reason my camera is down the lowest it can go and I'm still at an angle. I don't know. So I know you can see the bin and the skirting board or something, but I'm just learning in this new setup, okay? But anyway, there is a list of categories that you randomly select some product from. There was a, what was there first? There was 50 and then there was 6 and then there was 100. I amalgamated the two. I now have 101 that I'm left working on. So I'm just going to start with the categories that I hit my goal on and show you my progress and then what we're rolling in. So the 2 products that I kind of did together was a matte product and a product you aren't sure if you like, and I chose these 2 NYX liquid lipsticks in NYX the lingerie line, the lingerie, is that what you'd call it? And this kind of cooler tone one is in Honeymoon. And then this other one, this lighter shade, is in Satin Ribbon. So I used the lighter shade 11 times and I used this one 10 times. My goal was to use them 10 times. I'm actually happy enough with them. They are quite dry. I wouldn't repurchase them. I do like the colour. I just have this colour a lot. So I think my goal will be to pan it. There is 4 mils in it, or 0.13 fluid ounce. So I don't really know, but that's what the story is with that. I'm happy I got to use them because I actually haven't been using, you know, I keep using the same lip products over and over and over and over. But anyway, that's that one. This one I rolled in the last time. What was it called? A product you'll always repurchase. So I said the Bum Bum Cream because for right now my rationale feels like this is something I'll always repurchase. I wanted to use it 10 times. I don't know why I'm showing you. But yes, I used it 10 times. It's so fantastic. But I got oh my god, I got it. Is there any other body butter with this texture out there? Let me know, please. But anyway, I had the shampoo and the conditioner and I wanted to use them all together to feel kind of special. But anyway, I did use it 10 times and I absolutely loved it. Loved using something new as well. So that is that. Now let me show you what I made, well, what I was progress and then what we're rolling in. So for a product that deserves more hype, I chose this foundation here from Inglot. I just think Inglot deserve more hype in general, in my humble little opinion. This is the HD Perfect Cover-Up Foundation in the shade 76. This is the, I don't know, they have a few with this packaging, but this is the, what is it? I don't know, but they have another one with this kind of packaging. Like, I haven't gone up. It's an airlift pump. It is a pump that goes up and that is where she is. I only use a tiny bit of foundation at any given time. I don't enjoy as much of a fuller coverage anymore. I do have it on today. I mix it in with my foundation that is currently too light for me. I just all around find this a really nice foundation and my plan is to repurchase it once it is gone. For my most expensive lip product, I chose this LimeCrime lipstick in Airborne Unicorn. It has not moved. I absolutely love this. I think this is my favorite lipstick formula, but I've been informed that they're discontinued. I absolutely love the shade so much. There it is. There, it just does not move off your mouth for hours and hours and hours. It just doesn't go. It's really comfortable. It's almost like it has the longevity of a liquid lipstick with the comfort of a cream but not too creamy lipstick. And on a piece of paper, where is she? On a piece of paper, that's it there. And it hasn't moved, basically. So that's the story with that one. But look, I don't mind. I really love it and I'm glad I'm actually using it. Is that all of it? No. And then the other one I rolled in the last time was an on-trend product, and I chose this. Like, I didn't really know what was on trend until after I filmed the video, but I chose this Nikkie Tutorial, this Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay product, and here is her on the inside. Why am I tilted? It's so pretty. I use this 3 times. My goal is to use it 10 times. And if I haven't mentioned, this is to finish and this is to finish. But I just wanted to use this 10 times over the course of the project. So anyway, 3 times, you definitely have to use it with a glitter glue. I mean, there's just no arguments there. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the formula, to be honest. I'm really happy I have it. I do love the colors. Like, the colors are just so beautiful. Like, it's just hard to explain those shimmers. I don't know, but I'm not so sure about how I feel about the formula. I'm not totally sold on it. It is a pressed pigment, like that's something I'm just gonna have to get used to. But like, I had the Urban Decay electric and I didn't have this kind of, I don't know, I'm just not as comfortable blending it out. Like, I've used this navy blue shade now twice and it just doesn't blend out very, I'm just not fully enjoying, I'm not fully enjoying it. I love the colors, but I'm not fully enjoying the formula personally, but we have 7 more to go and I do like the colors, as I said. Now, onto the rolling in piece. Okay, so my spreadsheet will be different to yours because I keep taking out products and putting it onto another spreadsheet as I work on them. But I have 1 to 101 in here. And we got 22, 22, 72, and 22 again. 22, 72, and 97. So let's go see what they are. 97 is the biggest. Oh, a hair care item. Right, let me just put that down. Your most expensive eyeshadow palette. What? Oh God, another eyeshadow palette. I am just working on so many. Right, number 22 is a product you think is overpriced. Oh, okay. Right, okay, let me go think about that and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back with my products. One of them, like, I had no choice, so let me just show you. So the hair care product I chose is this one here that I got from Elaine very recently. So that's very exciting. It is the Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. There's 25 mils in this. So it says apply evenly to clean, towel dried hair and style as desired. Can also be used as a finisher on dry hair for added perfection. So I'm going to try and finish this. I don't think I'll finish it like very quickly. I'm not good at hair, you know, but anyway, I want to finish this and then I'll be using something new straight away. So that's a good one. I like that one. The next one was for your most expensive eyeshadow palette and I chose this one here that is also relatively new. Is it the purple blue? Is that what you call it? Or blue purple? Here is it here. Whoops, here's it here. So I want to use this 10 times. Guys, I'm working on far too many eyeshadows, far too many. But I said that I would try and use this 10 times and so 10 times is what it shall be. So I'm going to leave this out now and give it some much deserved love. I think that palette's like 200 quid normally, like over 200 quid, which is insanity. But I didn't pay that. I ended up getting it for free because it broke and I repressed some of it and they refunded me, which is very incredibly nice. And then this last one, this is the one I was a bit kind of caught on, and it says a product that you think is overpriced, so something that I think is overpriced. And I looked through my whole collection trying to choose something that is not this product because I had it in this project before, and it's this Hourglass Ghost palette. Again, it's in this project. You might be sick of seeing it, but guys, my collection is the size of what my collection is, and most, if not all, of my purchases are kind of thought out, and so it's not that often that I go wrong. And like, this one is just, in my brain, it's just so expensive. It's too expensive to me. I know that this product lasts an incredibly long time. I've used it over 50 times now and it doesn't look a day over 2 years old. No, it doesn't. It looks pretty much untouched and brand new. I don't deny that the product itself inside is absolutely spectacular and I know that it lasts a very long time. However, this is 88 euros, 88 euros. And I think that in my little brain, whoever makes products might have lost like the perception of how much product actually, like how much money is, because these pans are just, I'm sorry, but I know I say it all the time, they're just way too small and on camera it just doesn't show. Like, let me show you my face powder. This is my face powder brush. Sorry, it's dirty. And here's a pan. Like, that to me is just absolutely ridiculous for 88 euros. I know that this would last you a year, 2 years if you were using it every single day, and I think then it's excellent value for money. just the frustration element of it for me is the sole reason as to why I think it's way too expensive. Yeah, I think it's overpriced for that reason. I think that they should either put less product in and make the pans a bit bigger to be a bit more user friendly. I don't know, but it irritates me anyway. So I want to use this 10 times. I try and have a mix of finish and uses. I want to be realistic as well. So anyway, this is what I chose. So that is my update, guys. If you enjoyed, please do subscribe. Anyway, thanks a million. Take care. Bye.